So I filmed this whole intro in the garage talking about everything, and I watched it back and it was completely ridiculous. So this video, I take the studded tires off the moped and then we install some brakes on it. One of the brake shoes or the pads is a 2x4. So you're in for some good stuff. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Choke, there's gas in it, and off. Look at that. Start pulling off tires and stuff. Okay, first things first, we gotta take off the front tire. Okay. Time to grab the other wheel. Identical wheel, just no studs. See if we can find another washer for this side. Large washer. Let's see here. Too big. Too big. Too small. Way too big. Eventually I'd like to get a properly fitting washer on there. Take that. The rear has, where are they? They might be on this side. So right here, this clip, see how it unhooks? And then on this side, it's this this clip. New tripod. We're definitely gonna have to take some air out of this. Boom, just like that. This side, boom, just like that. Done. Throw this shit away. A couple more. Well, maybe not at the same time. think I need a new jack. Oh Lord. Shit, we got away with that one. Damn, almost caught. It's alright, they can't get us. Alright. And shit, but here is the brakes part of the setup. And then the rest of it I got in this box right now. This is the caliper. It comes in 2 halves and it uses like these weird graphite things as discs. The problem, or pads. The only problem is this is the other pad. So this is one. This is the other one. So clearly it's a little biased. I either have to flip them around or like cut a chunk of wood or something, and we'll have some like oak brake pads, but it'll work out fine. This thing rips. So good. And I just love like the paint and the way it looks with the new engine on the old frame. Alright, so what we got here is a wooden brake pad. I don't know if it's gonna work, don't know if it's gonna smoke apart, but we'll see, I guess. Damn, something's rubbing. good. I wouldn't say it's high performance, but it does stop it from continuing forward. I'm gonna ride around the yard here a bit and test it around this corner back here. Yeah, I would say that it worked. It's not, again, high performance, but you can in fact use a 2x4 for a brake pad, at least one of them. Oh God, I thought the kickstand was down.